What's going on, you guys? I've been thinking about shifting Nightmare without the clutch, being that it's a faceplated transmission and it should be able to take it. I think I finally sprouted the balls to do it, so that's what we're going to do right now. First, I'm going to do it on gate pressure, just kind of see how it goes, and then probably on 15 pounds, and then maybe like 24 pounds or something. We got a track day coming up tomorrow, so I want to make sure that this thing is ready to freaking rip. We want to be mid-9s right away this season, if at all possible, just to get us a jump start on the 8. I'm going to show you guys real quick what I'm going to do to make this thing shift, and we're going to go hit it. So this is what I'm going to do to make this thing shift. So basically, I'm not going to use the clutch, and I'm just going to pull on the shifter. It's just going to run into the limiter at 7,500, and then it should have a window of like 1,800 RPM. Hopefully it goes well and I don't break nothing, because that'd really suck, if I'm being dead honest.
Clinically insane you are. He's crazy.
That's so freaking fun. Holy cow. I didn't touch the clutch once. That felt so weird. Alright, I gotta go look at a data log, make sure I didn't tear something up here, but everything seems alright. The 3.4 was a little bit It took the shifts. This is going to help eliminate clutch slip issues, I think, too. This graph looks insane. There's no wait time in the shifts. At a peak, it made like about 9.5 pounds of boost, which is a little more than I was expecting, but, you know, that's okay. Now I'm going to put it on about 15 pounds. We're going to see what this thing will do. I got to tame it down in first gear, I think, and second maybe a little bit, because that was rowdy. That's why you can see it hit the limiter twice in first, because it was just spinning. I'm going to drive it down to the other end first, I think. That was good. I still missed the 1-2 shift. I think it spins even on just gate pressure. Okay, seemed alright. Motor's still running, so that's good. That was really fun. I think I'm going to stop here at 15 pounds. I got a feeling for it for tomorrow. Right now, it's just really not hooking on the street, especially in the beginning. If it would take the hit, I'd probably be alright with turning it up some more, but I really don't want to ball this car up right now. It's pretty much everything I got, so I'm going to end it off here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow I'm going to be filming another video, and it's going to be a banger, I bet, especially with this clutch shifting. These Tick Performance drag racing transmissions are insane. Honestly, it was worth the money I spent. I think this thing is going to be taking us to the next level for sure.